Hi students, I hope you're ready for your math lesson today. So today we're going to be working with arrays. I want you to get your big math workbook before you do anything else and turn to page 117. And when you're ready to go ahead and keep watching the video. All right, so hopefully you're all ready and prepared for our math lesson today. Arrays look like this. This is what's called an array, okay? So an array is something that helps us learn multiplication. So we've already been learning about equal groups, and arrays are kind of similar to equal groups, okay? In arrays, we have both rows and columns. So rows go across, all right? So I like to count my rows in an array like this. There's one row, there's 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 rows. Okay, it wants us to write a multiplication sentence for this array. And the way that we do that is by saying we have 4 rows. So we really have 4 groups, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in each group, right? There's 5 in each row. So this is 4 times 5 equals, well, if we add that all up together by using repeated addition, we would do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So if I just want to skip count, I can do 5, 10, 15, 20. And there's 20 tiles in all. That means that 4 times 5 equals 20. All right, number 5. This one is a little tiny array. I'm still going to draw my rows though here. I'm going to circle them. Looks like I have 3 rows. So I have 3 groups of 2. There's 2 in each group. So 3 times 2 equals, now I want to find how many blue tiles in all. And I can skip count. I can go 2 plus 2 plus 2, or do 2, 4, 6, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Perfect. All right. Number 3, draw an array to find the product. So we're going to practice drawing our own array. So we have 3 times 6. So 3 rows of 6. Okay. This can be a little bit tricky, so I really want you to watch carefully before you do anything. So don't write it down right now. Just watch me do this problem. So 3 rows of 6. I'm first going to draw 1 row of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 1 row of 6, and I have to have 3 rows of 6. Okay, so now I'm going to do another row of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my second row of 6. Now I need 1 more row of 6 to make 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my third row of 6. And the repeated addition here would be 6 plus 6 plus 6, right? That's going to help us find out how many in all. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus another 6 is 18. So that means that the answer here is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. We have 3 rows of 6, and that equals 18. All right, let's do another one. 4 times 7. So I have 4 times 7, which means I'm going to have 4 rows of 7. So I'm going to draw first 1 row of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can go ahead and do this with me, okay? So there's 1 row of 7. I like to circle them. It really keeps them in track for me. You don't have to circle them, but I would suggest to do that to help you keep it straight. So there is 1 row of 7. I need 4 rows of 7. So I'm going to continue until I get to 4 rows of 7. Notice how I'm making them nice and straight. They're up and down, right up and down from each other. Okay, it's not all over the place. All of my X's are very much in line with each other and very organized. That is what arrays should be. So again, I am drawing 4 rows of 7. So why don't you pause this video until you have 4 rows of 7 as well. All right, now that you have 4 rows of 7, we can find the answer to this problem by skip counting or repeated addition. So there's 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, right? Seven plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. I know 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus another 7 is 21. And 21 plus 7 equals 28. So 4 times 7 equals 28. That means 4 groups of 7 is 28 in all. We're going to go ahead and just do one more problem together. We're going to do number 8 here. 3 times 5. So I'm going to have to draw 3 rows of 5 for my array. 3 rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 row in my array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is another row, so that's my second row. I need 3 rows, so I need 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, to figure out how many I have in all, I have to use my repeated addition. I have to add together 5 plus 5 plus 5. And I can just also use skip counting by counting by 5s, right? 5, 10, 15. So that means that 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, so that is it for our lesson today. Like I said, we worked on arrays today. Now arrays up here are in tile form, but down here I made them in X's. Now you might not want to draw circles around your arrays, but I like to, so it helps me keep my rows nice and straight and organized. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson today, and I will see you next time. Bye!